Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 3 of CMA final SFM lease versus buy option. Look at this question. Please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 3. ABC Company Limited is faced with the two options as under the in respect of the acquiring the assets of rupees 1 lakh. Assets costing rupees 1 lakh. There are two options. One option is a buying, another option is a lease. To acquire the assets directly taking the bank loan, repayment in the 5 years and installments and interest at 15%, equal installment or equal installment of principal and interest rate 15%. To lease assets, the yearly rental rupees 320 per thousand. Lease rent is rupees 320 per thousand investment. Per thousand investment, and your investment is 1 lakh. For these, how many thousands? 100. It means the lease rent would be 32,000. 32,000. This is for 5 years. This is for 5 years. PML at the end of year. The following additional informations are available. The rate of depreciation is 15% of the written down value method. The company has an effective tax rate 50%. The company employs discount rate 16%. You are indicate your report the option more preferable to the company. Restricted calculation over the period of the 10 years. The present value of rupee at the end of the each year is given here. In this case, the depreciation, you are indicated the report to the option to more preferable to the company. Restrict the calculation over period of 10 years. It means depreciation is going to be charged for the 10 year and discount rate is here given 16%. Okay. Now, first we have to calculate evaluation of present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Evaluation of present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Lease rent. Working note first. Calculation of number of thousand investment in assets. Investment rupees 1 lakh. Number of thousand rupees 1 lakh divided by 1000, this is 100. Why we need to calculate this? Because of lease rent is decided rupees 320 per thousand, rupees 320 per thousand. Hence lease rent, working note second, lease rent rupees 320 per thousand, number of thousand is 100, that is rupees 32,000. Tax saving on lease rent. Tax saving on lease rent. This is 50%. 16,000. Lease rent net of tax. Lease rent net of taxes. This is rupees 16,000. Lease rent net of taxes rupees 16,000. Present value of lease rent at the rate of 16%. Rupees 16,000 into present value annuity factor. 16% lease rent is for 5 years. Okay. rupees 16,000 into 3.27429. 3.27429, and this will become the answers. Okay, now we are going to calculate present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Now, bank borrowing, evaluation of present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Evaluation of present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. Bank borrowing. Now, working note first. In this given question, it is saying rate of depreciation is rupees 15% and company tax rate is 15%, company employee discount rate is this, and a loan you are going to installment to acquire the assets directly by the taking the loan rupees 1 lakh, repayment in 5-year end at an interest of 15%. You are going to pay rupees 1 lakh in 5 years. It means installment you require to pay 20,000 your interest. In the given question, this information should be given. Principal should be paid in a 5 equal installment. That information is not given. But solution is done according to the principal, according to this information, and information is silent. You must write in the solutions. In solution, in note, in what you have to write, in note you need to write, in what you write, note. As per solution I am going to write here. Okay, now the question is how you are going to pay the principal. You write here notes. Principal is paid in 5 equal installment. This is the first. In second you need to write here, in second, in question, in second you need to write depreciation is charged for 10 years. This is written, and tax benefit is taken for 10 years. Okay, this you must have to write. Because of how you are going to pay the loan, that information is not given here clearly. Whether you are going to pay installment equal of interest, in equal installment inclusive of interest, or only principal, that information is not given. But solution is done according to equal principal only. Interest you are going to pay remaining principal. Okay, that's why. Assumption you must write. Assumptions. Principal is paid in 5 equal installment. 5 equal installment. It is assumed by you. In second, principal is paid in 5 equal installment. In second, what you do? Interest is paid on remaining amount. Amount of loan. This. Depreciation is charged for 10 years at the rate of 15% written down value. Okay, now working note. calculation of interest. You write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Loan. 1 lakh. Principal paid. 1 lakh in 5 installment. This is 20,000 in each installment. Principal paid. Principal paid 20,000. Balance loan. Okay. Now balance loan. This is suppose A and this is suppose B. Then A minus B, that is 80,000. Interest. Interest is charged on this amount. The 15% of 1 lakh, that is 15,000, like this. Okay, now 80,000, again 20,000. This is 60,000. Now, what is the interest rate? 15% of these. Then interest will be 15% of these. This is a 12,000. 80,000. 15% of 80,000. 15% of this. Now this is a 60,000. 20,000. Loan will be this. Interest is always charged on loan, balance loan amount. The 60%, 60,000, 15% of 60,000. This is a 9,000. 40,000. 20,000 you paid the principal, and thereafter this is the 20,000. Now 15% of 40,000, this is 6,000, and this is the remaining amount 20,000, and 20,000 you paid here, and this is a 0. The 15% of 20,000, this is a 3,000. This is your interest. Look at it. Working note second. Calculation of present value of annual installment. Annual installments. You write here year. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5. Principal. You are going to pay principal 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. Interest 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. This is 12,000, 9,000, 6,000, 3,000. Installment 35,000, 32,000, 29,000, 26,000, 23,000. Present value factor at the rate of 16%, the 0.86207, 0.86207, 0.74316, 74316, 0.64066, 64066, 0.55229, 55229, 0.47611, 47611. You write at present value of installment. This is 30172, 30172, 28781, 28781, 18579, 18579, 14359, 14359, 10950, 10950. Total present value of annual installment. Annual installment. This is 97,742. 97,842. 97,842. Okay. Now we have to calculate depreciation. Because of tax saving amount, we need to calculate. Tax saving amount is the principal plus depreciation for the 10 years. Okay. Now working note. Calculation of depreciation at the rate of 15% and written down value. You write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Written down value 1 lakh. Written down value. This is a 1 lakh. Depreciation here 15%. 15% of 1 lakh. That is 15,000. Now balance return on value 1 lakh minus 15,000. This is 85,000. This is 85,000. 85,000. 15% of 85,000 here. This is 12750. 12750. This is 85,000 minus 12750. 12750. 72250. 72250. Now 72250. Here also 15% of 72250. 10837. 10,837.5, 10,837.5, and this is 72,275 minus 10,008 days, and this is 61,412.5, 61,412.5, and this is the depth 9211.875, and this is 52200, 52200.65. Again, this in fifth year, 52200.65, 7830, 7830. This is 44370, 44370, 44370, 6655, 6655. After subtracting this, you will get here 37715, 37715, and again 15% of these 5657, 5657, 32057, 32057, 32057, and 15% of these 4809, 4809, 2742, 27249, 249, 27, 249, 27, 249, 15% of these 4087, 4087, and this is 23161, 23161, 23161, 161, 3474, 3474, 20142, 20142, this is 11, 20142. This is a depreciation. Now we have to calculate tax saving amount. To calculate tax saving amount, we need two things. One is the depreciation, another is the interest. Calculation of working note. Calculation of tax saving amount and the tax saving. Tax saving amount is calculated on depreciation and interest. You write here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Depreciation you write first. 15,000, 12,000, 750, 10,837. I'm going to leave fraction after point. 9212, 9212, 7830, 7830, 6655, 6655, 5657, 5657 4809 4809 4087 4087 3474 3474. Interest 15,000 12,000 9,000 6,000 3,000. This is the tax saving amount. Tax saving amount 30,000 24,000 750 19837 19837 15,000 212 10,000 830 830 6655 5657 4809 4087 3474. Okay, this is a tax saving amount. Tax saving 50%, that is 15,000 12,000 375 9919 9919 7606 7606 5415 5415 3328 3328 2829 2829 2405 2405 2044 2044 1737 1737. Now you have to calculate present value factor at the rate of 16%. 0.86207 0.86207 0.74316 74316 0.64066 64066 0.55229 55229 0.47611 47611 0.41044 0.35313 35313 0.30503 30503 0.26295 26295 0.22666. Now we have to calculate present value. Present value 12931 12931. Now 9196 9197 6354 6354 4201 2578 2578 1366 1366 999 734 734 538 538 33394. Total present value of tax saving This is rupees 291. Now the question is, what will be the present value of cost due to bank borrowing? We can write here present value of cost due to bank borrowing. Loan installment minus tax saving. Loan installment is calculated 97782 842 minus 39291 58552. Now look at it. Decision we have to given. Decision. In the case of lease option, and this is the buying option. Present value of cost. What is the present value of cost? Buying option is 58552. Lease option is 16,000 into 3.27429. Life is here for 5 years. This is for 10 years. Whenever life is different, then we have to take decision on the basis of equivalent annual cost. The equivalent annual cost, this is equivalent annual cost. This is the present value of cost divided by present value annuity factor 16%. This is the 5 year. This is the present value of cost. This is present value annuity factor 16%, that equal to 10 years. The present value of cost is 16,000 into 3.27429 whole divided by 3.27429. In this case, present value is calculated 58,552 divided by 4.48 3252. This is the 16,000. This is 12,114.47. Out of these two options, which one has the lowest cost? The lowest cost is the buy option. Okay, lowest cost is in buy option. Hence, it is better decision to buy machine. Okay, this question is completed. Okay, thank you class. This one is a longer one. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.